A convicted felon is back in jail for felony burglary.
Plus, gearing up for the 4th on this week's Rambosk Report. Welcome to the Rambosk Report. I'm Andrea Jones.
And I'm Jamie Mosbach. We begin with a case of a man caught on video stealing from parked cars in the Lely community. An investigation turned up video of 41-year-old Joseph Wise entering unlocked cars along St. Andrews Boulevard. Here you can clearly see Wise rummaging through one of the vehicles using his cell phone for light. He didn't get away with much. With that said, Wise, a convicted felon, is charged with 3 felony counts of burglary. And this is a good time to share our message: hide, lock, take. Hide your valuables, lock your vehicle, and take your keys. These simple steps can protect your property and save you a major headache.
And that is true. Now, an important message about storm season. We saw this happen the other night. Storms caused the traffic lights to go out at Vanderbilt and US 41. That caused major delays during rush hour. So here's a reminder about what you should do if you come to an intersection where signals aren't working. If you see flashing red lights, treat it like a stop sign. Flashing yellows mean to proceed with caution, and no lights at all, you want to treat like a 4-way stop sign. And Jamie, as we remember from our driver's ed, that means everybody stops. The person who got there first goes first. If it's a tie, the person to the right has the right of way.
Yep, first to stop, first to go.
That's right.
Now, maybe you saw some information about our career fair last week, but you couldn't make it. Not to worry, you can find all the information about available positions on our website. At the career fair, our HR manager, Andrea Cousins, told us what makes CCSO such a special place to work.
Working here at the Sheriff's Office is fantastic. It's a very family-oriented place. We have great benefits, tuition reimbursement, sign-on bonus. It's $3,000 for a certified applicant and $1,500 for a civilian.
Check out all of our great benefits by visiting colliersheriff.org/CCSO careers.
Now, ahead of the 4th of July holiday, CCSO members, along with partners from the Fire Department and the Golden Gate Civic Association, placed flags along the sides of Golden Gate Parkway to honor our nation's independence. And even though the weather might be a little bit iffy for the weekend, we know you'll want to make the most of it. Remember, fireworks are legal in the county on the holiday only. That's July 4th. They're prohibited in the city of Naples and on Marco Island. Also, be thoughtful of your neighbors and pets and keep those kiddos a safe distance from fireworks.
All right, let's be safe and enjoy the long weekend.
That's right. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you here next week.